All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjectives. So, economic. Economic. So, relating to the management of scarce resources. So, how to manage things, that we don't have much of. How to handle the things we have. How to handle the things we have. Whether on a big scale, like everyone's money, for example, or on a small scale, the household, life, family. So, yeah. So, there are different economic processes we have to learn about. Yeah. Those economic books are useful, very smart. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. Okay. So, this economic process, this process A, B, C, might change. Things might be different. Those economic rules don't apply here. Yeah, don't apply here. Yeah. We think those economic rules do work. Yeah. I have thought about a lot of economic principles that need to be followed. Yes, principles, different things to consider. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I have an economic book. She has an economic degree. He needs to learn more about economic management, economic rules. Yeah. They read a lot about economic development, how things have changed over time, Yeah. And it is an economic principle, rule, concept. It's an economic concept, this thing we have to think about. Something we have to think about and remember when we do certain things. Yeah, this rule, this concept. Ah, yes. How cool is that? Yeah. So, those economic principles are out of date. I think this economic idea is too old now. It needs changing. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? We are planning new economic tactics, strategies, different ways of dealing with things, the different tactics. This economic tactic is much more advanced than those. Yeah. How cool is that? He thinks there will be a strong economic growth. Yeah. Over time, this country will have a lot of economic changes, developments, and growth. Things will change over time for the better. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So, economic rules, economic book, yeah, management of scarce resources, the things that are few, the things we don't have many of. Economics, how to manage money, how to manage things like money. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, Can you use economics in a sentence? And can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.